In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails directly from Monday.com in just 5 minutes. This concise guide will streamline your workflow and help you communicate more effectively without leaving the Monday.com platform. So let's get started and enhance your productivity. First, what you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Simply type the URL into your browser's address bar and hit enter to access the site. Once the page loads, you'll find the login button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now, Monday.com offers several login options to make the process quick and simple. One of the most convenient methods is logging in with a Google account. Look for the Google option on the login page and click on it. If you have multiple Google accounts, you'll be prompted to choose the one you want to use. Select your desired account and you'll be seamlessly logged into your Monday.com workspace. Once you're logged in, it's time to head to your contacts board. This is where all the magic happens. Find your way to the contacts board by navigating through your Monday.com workspace menu. If you have several boards, you might need to search for your contacts board specifically. When you arrive at your contacts board, you'll see a list of entries, including email addresses for each contact. Now, here's the cool part. Clicking on an email address will open up an email window directly within Monday.com. So go ahead and click on the email address of the person you'd like to contact. This new window provides you with an integrated email platform, allowing you to manage your communications without switching tabs or apps. Before hitting send, ensure your email is well crafted. You'll begin by typing in the subject of your email. This line should be clear and concise, giving the recipient a quick snapshot of your message's purpose. Once the subject is set, move on to composing your email message in the main body section. Remember to keep your message clear and professional with attention to detail to convey your point effectively. Finally, once you're satisfied with both the subject and the content of your email, it's time to send it off. Locate the send button, which is typically situated at the bottom of the email window. With a simple click, your email will be on its way to the recipient, all without ever leaving Monday.com. And that's all it takes. With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently send emails directly from your Monday.com platform, keeping your communication centralized and efficient. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. We hope it makes your Monday.com experience even better and that you feel empowered to leverage its full emailing capabilities with ease. Keep exploring and optimizing your workflow.